Are you looking to polish up your professional email signature and create a feature that will highlight and showcase your skills? Let me show you an easy way to upload a clickable link to your automated signature using Gmail that will direct people to your portfolio, LinkedIn profile, and other social media accounts. You can begin by creating a signature file in Canva. There are several templates that you can modify to your liking or create your own for free. First, you will need to download your signature file and icon images onto your Google Drive or your computer. You can do this by opening the image and selecting the Share button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. In this video, we are going to select the Google Drive icon and click Save. Repeat this step for all images you want to include in your signature. Next, we will need to open our Gmail settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear wheel in the upper right-hand corner of your Gmail account and select See All Settings. Scroll down to the Signature section and select Create New. Type in the title you are going to give this signature. Once we are here, we can insert our images by clicking on the image icon. This will open your Google Drive, and you can select the images you want to insert into your Gmail signature. Now that we have our signature and icons in place, it is time to link the images to your portfolio and social media accounts. Each image you download will be able to have one link associated with it. You will add the link by highlighting the image and clicking the link button below. Insert the link you want the user to access in the text box. Repeat this step for all of your images. The next step is setting the signature defaults. Click the drop-down arrow under For New Emails Use and select the signature you just created. Click Save Changes. The final step is to complete a test run to make sure the signature looks just right and our links are working properly. You can do this by sending yourself an email and titling it Test. Click Send and test out each link to make sure it takes the user where you want them to go. Once you have checked to see that it looks and functions properly, you are done. Now, it's time for you to create your own clickable signature and make yourself stand out.